Hi there, good morning. It's Tuesday today, and I am continuing yesterday's unboxing of my wireless earpiece. Okay, yes. This is my wireless earpiece, and yeah, I charged yesterday. So and I tried to sync it just now before this video and testing it for my recording right now. Not sure whether it is working or not, as this is my first time using a Bluetooth wireless earpiece. Because I tested just now, okay, before recording this, it feels like it kept on disconnecting itself, so I have no idea what's happening. Finger crossed, hopefully it is recording my voice properly, okay. And then maybe later I will try it to go on a call with someone, and then to see whether it is working properly, receiving and making a call. Okay, I hope it is working. Yeah, I guess that's the most important thing I would like to share today. Yes, finishing, actually it's not finished yet. Continuing my unboxing of my wireless earpiece. Okay. Yeah, so that's it, a short one for today. Happy Tuesday, and stay hydrated, rest well. That's for a balanced, healthy life. Okay, bye bye.